Well, private equity players have lost some of their enthusiasm for India, especially in infrastructure and real estate. So says a report by Grant Thornton. The report says private equity investment in India is down to $7.4 billion in 2012 against $8.8 billion in 2011. That's a 15% fall. Kritika Saxena finds out whether this appears to be a lasting trend.
Prime Minister Manmohan Singh's government took various steps towards the end of 2012 to coax investors back. But as far as 2012 went, it was too little, too late. A report by Grant Thornton shows that 2012 saw a 7.5% fall in overall M&A deal flows, with private equity investment into the country falling 15% from levels seen in 2011. While the number of private equity deals increased by 0.4% to 244, overall inflows dropped and the average deal size fell 21.7% to $18 million. But Grant Thornton is optimistic things will turn around in 2013.
We believe that 2013 we would see a lot better numbers in terms of value of investment. Maybe number of deals would not change so much, but average deal size hopefully would see much larger numbers in 2013.
Now this optimism largely stems from the fact that the buzz in Deal Street picked up in the last 3 months of 2012. So what were the sectors that really did well in 2012?
Infrastructure was the biggest disappointment, with investments in the sector falling a sharp 59%. PE players also gave real estate a wide berth and investments in the space fell 33.4%. Deals in the banking and financial services sector also fell 15.7%. However, the IT and ITES sector got some relief thanks to Bain Capital's $1 billion investment in Genpact, up by 19% this year. But interestingly, the Indian pharma, healthcare and biotech space has seen investment spiking over 200%. Deals that stand out include Advent International's $105 million investment in Care Hospital, GIC's $100 million investment in Vasan Healthcare, and Olympus Capital's $100 million investment in DM Healthcare. Indications are this sector will continue to see strong investor interest through 2013. And if interest in other sectors picks up, thanks to the government's efforts to woo foreign investors, Deal Street will be chock-a-block in no time. In Mumbai, Kritika Saxena.